Hey, what's happening? This is your boy KR coming to you out of Chicago. Super excited about the Money Power Club and the Baked Beans Network. We're doing some things over here to help people to earn 8% daily on their investment. I'm going to be your host for the next few minutes. I explain to you how our network is helping people to create financial freedom, guys, how to help people become financially stable and get off of those jobs and just create money that's needed for their families, okay? So let's take a look at this thing so I can get you in and get you out. Before we start, I would like for you to like and subscribe to this video so that way when I have great content, you'll always be notified, guys. Click that bell. That way you'll be notified whenever I have great content. So let's dive right in so I can get you in and get you out. I would like to first welcome you to the Money Power Club Baked Beans Network. Our mission is to help each member to achieve financial freedom via the principles of compound interest. I hope you guys are familiar with compound interest. That thing is creating wealth and has been doing so for many, many, many years. Okay, our project. Let's look at our project and our four powerful components which help each member to earn this money passively, guys. First of all, we have the MPC mobile network. That is our club, Money Power Club. That's our network where our members are gaining their investment. This is where you're building your money to invest within the Baked Beans project. Next, we have Smart Chain. Smart Chain is the cryptocurrency that we're using to purchase baked beans, right? It's the digital asset that we use to purchase into the baked beans project as well as get on the platform. And the baked beans for itself, that is a compounding software that they're using to help members, guys. We're mining. We're over here mining these beans, and these beans are paying out in great dividends, guys. Super excited. Next, we have crypto.com. That is considered our bank. That is where we have our Visa debit card where we're able to take whatever we earn, whatever we make through this compounding, and use it via this debit card. That's super exciting, guys. Now, let's take a look at the components, purpose, and usage. The MPC Mobile Network provides $1,350 of investment funds, which means these are funds that you can invest into your baked beans project, right? Simply by bringing in other members, guys. Any personally sponsored member that you bring in, you will be receiving $1,350 per level upgrade. You're going to upgrade through the company and through the system and take those funds and dump them into the baked beans and get that 8% on them. These funds are then used to purchase Smart Chain, which is a cryptocurrency, guys. That's the cryptocurrency that we use to purchase into or to invest into the Baked Beans project. Smart Chain is then used to make the investments to the Baked Beans compounding platform. So this is super simple, guys. Once you get your Smart Chain, then you buy your baked beans and you just start making your money, guys, baking those beans. Investment returns from the baked beans are then converted back into Smart Chain. So once you've made your money with baked beans, send it back into the Smart Chain contract. Super simple. Once the funds are converted back into Smart Chain, they can then be converted back into Bitcoin and sent to crypto.com. Once the coins are on crypto.com, which is considered the bank, they are then used within the general public via the Visa debit card. So everything that you earn on that 8% can be brought out into Bitcoin, which will then be able to be used within the general public at the grocery store, the gas station, ATM machines, etc., etc., and etc., guys. Now, the Baked Bean Smart Chain technology, right? This is what we're using, man. This technology is amazing, man. It's amazing. BNB Smart Chain technology is amazing. What is the Money Power Club? Let's take a look at this. The Money Power Club is an organization built around entrepreneurs who have that desire to help others to charter the path to financial freedom very quickly. What is Baked Beans? Very simple. Baked Beans is a digital assets smart chain, right? Contract powered by BNB Smart Chain. So Baked Beans is that component that we need to build this money, guys, to make this money. It is a digital asset, like I said, with a smart chain contract powered by BNB Smart Chain. The contract is structured to allow participants to earn 8% interest daily on their investment via the act of compounding, as well as the ability to receive 12% of anybody that they personally sponsor in. So imagine now you're getting 8% off your investment. You're getting 12% off of whatever someone comes in with you. When they join under you, you'll get 12% of that investment, guys. That goes into your BNB, and it will be compounded also. Every time you hit rebate, you're going to compound that as well. How do you join MPC Baked Beans Network? To join the network, you must complete simple tasks in regards to setting up your system, right? That's it, setting up your system and monetizing it to receive compound interest based upon your investment and reinvestments, guys. Very, very simple, guys. That's how you join. You set up your MPC, set up your smart chain, set up your baked beans, set up your crypto.com if you do not already have it. Set it up. You're going to be set to go. All right. What is the initial investment needed to join MPC Baked Beans Network? This is very important and everybody must understand what this is and why this is. To join our network, each member must make a small investment of only $275. The $275 investment is divided three ways. Let's look at those three ways. You're going to pay $110 in order to go into the Money and Power Club. Okay, $100 covers your membership, $10 covers your platform that you're going to be setting up, which is your back office. The baked beans initial investment is $150, and then you're going to really, start making money once you put in that $150. Bitcoin and gas fees are $15. That gives us a total of $275. So as you can see, everything is broken down. That way you know exactly where your funds are going. Okay. Investment structure. This is very important. Money Power Club Silver membership package is $110. Baked Beans initial investment is $150. Bitcoin gas fees $15, as I said previously. Okay. Baked Beans level 1 investment. This is what you receive per your investment when you come into the club. You're going to be getting a $250 spillover from members that you bring in based upon the chart I'm going to be showing you below. Then once again, you're going to receive another $250 which you can use to put back in the baked beans. That's another $250. That's $500 right there from level 1 and level 2. When we look at level 3, though, that is where the game changes. That is where you're setting yourself up to receive amazing money, guys, because in level 3, you're going to be receiving $5,000 to dump into your baked beans. That means that you're going to be having $5,500 total. That's going to be getting 8%. Not to mention, you're getting that 12% when someone comes in. Not to mention that every day you're compounding this. So money is being generated all over the place. So imagine that. Imagine compounding just 55, 55 if you just look at that without even looking at the referrals. If you don't bring in anybody, that's not a problem because you're still making money, right? You're able to make money. But you want to bring in people so you can get these funds, 250, 5,000. You want that. You want to share this with people so that you can earn maximum. Let's look at our chart so you can understand how the investment structure works and how you use it to create wealth. Now, let's assume that you're already in. You've paid your $275. You're set up. You're ready to go. Now, you're going to share this with just 5 people. Now, how many people do you know would love to be getting 8% on their investment plus receiving funds coming in that's going to help them to invest further? Guys, that's amazing, right? So that means that once you're in and you make your one-time investment, you're going to end up getting that back. That's coming back to you in a couple of days, guys, so you don't want to miss this. So let's assume that you're in, you share this with 5 people. Once you share this with 5 people, time that $100 for them joining, like when they come in and that fund goes to the baked beans, that's for your membership. You got to get your Money Power Club membership. When you get your membership in the club, time 5 people, that's $500, guys. From that, everything goes from profit. Understand this. Everything goes from profit. All of future investment come from profits. So you just earned $500 because you shared this with 5 great people just like yourself. Time $100, that's $500. What you're going to do is upgrade into the gold membership level of the club for $250 of the $500. This is where it gets exciting. You're going to take the remaining $250 and you're going to send it into the Baked Beans project. Right? Amazing, right? You're sending that into the Baked Beans project. That is amazing. That's $250 going in at level 1 of the Baked Beans project. You're going to be receiving 8% of that plus 12% every time one of your members does the same thing. So you're going to be receiving 8% of $250 and 12% of whoever comes in with you that does the same thing, guys. That is amazing. Let's look at our next level. Now, you just put $250 into the goal. You're going to take those same 5. You notice it says same 5 people, not a new group. Same 5, which is going to give you $250 each for a total of $1,250. From the $1,250, you're going to upgrade into the $1,000 level, which is our premium platinum. Once you do that, you're going to have a remaining $250, and that remaining $250 is going where? Directly into your level 2 for baked beans. You see how your investments is growing? Oh my God. I mean, it's blowing up now, right? Because it's all coming from profits. Once your team members does the same thing, coming into level number 2, which is the gold, and then upgraded into the platinum for 1,000, that is $5,000. So if you notice right here, it says zero. That means you have no future investments that you have to make into the club, right? That means that 5,000 goes directly over into your green, which is your Bitcoin or bank account, because you have no further upgrades in the club. You own silver, gold, and platinum membership. Now what's going to happen is, guys, you're going to take that 5,000, dump that 5,000 over here in baked beans at 8%. Oh my God. Imagine when your 5 people does the same thing, dumping $5,000 each over into baked beans. Yeah, exactly. That's 12% you're getting off of that 5,000 that they came in with on level number 3. That means that, guys, you're killing this. You can kill this thing, guys, very easily. Nothing to it, nothing hard about it. It's just simple investing from what you gain through your club memberships. This is something that anyone can do. This is something that could change the game and definitely change your financial situation. And it's all through compounding. So as you share this great opportunity with other people, you're going to start earning. Imagine, guys, being able to show somebody that you're earning 8% daily on your investment. And think about something. There's no banks that's giving 8% daily. You're lucky to get 2 or 3% per year. So this thing is amazing. This thing is helping people to grow. It's helping people to prosper, and you definitely want to be a member here. So I want to welcome you in advance to the Money Power Club Baked Beans Network. Take care.